Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a electric Smith Coronet Coronet. Nice little machines. This one looks like it's just dirty, never been serviced. And there's a couple things directly wrong with it. The motor was slow, but I've got that kind of working better. So, main thing was the shift. I've already got this keyboard cover off here. And so I opened it up. I see the motor didn't start now. It's got to be looked at a little more. Just kickstart it here. It wouldn't start at all. Now, see how slow it's turning? So that's got to be rebuilt. I got videos for that. Let's see if I can spray something in there just to kickstart it. Okay, so, but the problem I opened it up for, I'm more concerned with a little bit with that noise, but it's this shift just jammed up. I don't know, that's unusual for this kind of machine. Things are working, but shift is jammed, lock is jammed. So I just took the keyboard cover off and found what it was. You never know with these machines. That's why it's hard to answer some questions like, why is the shift not working? Well, I just looked down here pretty quick to see, and I'm telling you, there's something in here I don't even know what it is yet. Let's see it here. Okay, see that piece right there? Oops, I think these are hairpins or something. What do you call those things? So they're, let's see if I can get to them, turn this thing off. Well, there's one of them right there. And one of them is just right over here on the shift. And the other one was, what is this thing? Oh, it's a big old, there's two of them in here. Well, the other one fell through now. But they were kind of in a V shape. So it's this big hairpin thing. Haven't seen one of these jumbo ones in a while. Look at that. The other one is, there's two in there, and they were sitting in there like that, or like that. And just never know what you're going to find. And that, I bet you that shift works. Look at that, see? I mean, it was just in the exact position. Well, there's the other one down there. So there were two in there. And they were kind of like a teamwork effort there. And they were teaming up, causing this to jam up. There's the other one. Look at that, two of those suckers. So maybe I'll repurpose these and use them for something else. Look at that one stuck to the motor. It was sticking to the motor. Like, that's funny because there's magnetic in there. Okay, that's it. That's my quick video this morning of this, and now I just need to clean, and then also take this apart and flush and rework this motor. It will work good after I'm done. I think the rattle might be a paper clip in there or something like I did on a previous video here, or it could just be the clutch or the whole motor making some noise. I will attend to that, and hopefully that will be resolved, and then this machine will be ready, well, after a good cleaning. You know how dirty it is in here. Just typical stuff, but this will clean up perfect and be a nice typewriter when I'm done. And that's it. 4-minute video. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.